Welcome to the Community Health Worker Instructor course. This course will prepare you for certification as an instructor in the state of Texas. Please remember to turn off autoplay in the upper right-hand corner of your screen so you won't feed into the next video. Let's begin. Simple Guide to Project Management. The video will assist you in becoming familiar with project management and its importance, project planning, time management and prioritization, and key project management skills. So what is a project? A project is a temporary effort to create a unique project, service, or result. To develop a project, you need resources, a sponsor, and clear steps or an action plan. The management of a project is the actual application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the requirements of the project. A program is a group of related projects that are managed in a coordinated way. So why bother with project management? There are several great reasons why. You'll have better control of financial, physical, and human resources, improved customer relations, shorter development times, lower costs, and higher quality and increased reliability. You'll also have higher profit margins, improved productivity, better internal coordination, higher worker morale, and reduced stress. When you're doing your project planning, it's often helpful to have a vision and a goal. A vision is a description of what an organization would like to achieve or accomplish in the midterm or long-term future. The same thing can apply to a project. Goal is a term used widely and in different ways in planning and management literature. Goals provide general purpose and direction. Goals describe a desired outcome. Goals must be achievable and feasible. A goal is a high-level strategic statement, general and timeless, and a person's primary motivator. For example, the goal of the Department of Health and Human Services is that it will help ensure the safe delivery of healthcare services to the public. As you can see, or as you heard, a goal statement is a clearly articulated general statement that describes future state of affairs and provides general direction, purpose, or intent of what needs to be accomplished. When you're project planning, it's a good idea to create a list of potential resources, create a list of critical success factors. A list of potential obstacles is helpful. Creating a list of tasks to complete the plan, and creating an action plan so the tasks will be completed. Considering your constraints in regard to the project are also helpful. Constraints like the scope, time, cost, quality, and also other potential constraints such as risk and resources. Your timeline is an important integral part to planning a project. You can plan timeline management, define your activities and sequence them, estimate the activity resources and the activity durations, develop the timeline, and then a control schedule as well. A timeline will inevitably help you as well with prioritizing tasks. It's helpful to collect a list of all of your tasks, to identify what's urgent versus what's important, assess the value of each task, put them in order by estimated effort, and remember to be flexible and adaptable. Perhaps the most important skill in prioritizing tasks is knowing when to stop. Consider the effective versus the ineffective characteristics of project managers. An effective project manager will lead by example, as compared to someone who sets bad examples. Effective project managers are visionaries. Ineffective project managers are not necessarily self-assured. An effective project manager is technically competent, whereas an ineffective project manager may lack technical expertise. They may also avoid or delay making decisions, where an effective project manager is decisive. An effective project manager is also a good communicator and a good motivator, whereas an ineffective project manager may be the opposite. Additional skills to consider for a good project manager are people skills, leadership, great active listening skills, integrity, ethical behavior, and consistency, and someone who's strong at building trust. Good verbal communication, the ability to build strong teams, great conflict resolution and management skills, critical thinking and problem-solving skills, and the ability to understand and balance priorities are all essential project manager skills. To review, during this video, you learned about project management and its importance, project planning, time management and prioritization, and key project management skills.